how are you all? I hope you all are amazing and fine. So as I promised you all, I will be back again with lots of fun activities. So here I am. So without wasting more moment, let's just come and try our second concept. Concept was standing lines. So our second concept will be slanting lines. What are slanting lines? Slanting lines are those lines which are neither sleepy nor straight. जो लाइंस या तो नीनी कर रही होती हैं और ना ही स्ट्रेट होती है, मतलब जो लाइंस ना तो नीनी कर रही होती है और ना ही सीधी खड़ी होती है, उन लाइंस को हम बोलते हैं स्लैंटिंग लाइंस. तो स्लैंटिंग लाइंस कैसी होती है? हाउ टू ड्रॉ स्लैंटिंग लाइंस? जस्ट लुक हियर. जो लाइंस ना तो नीनी कर रही होती है, ये लाइन नीनी नहीं कर रही और ना ही ये लाइन स्ट्रेट है, तो इस लाइन को हम बोलेंगे स्लैंटिंग लाइन. जस्ट बिकॉज these lines are bending forward or bending backward. जो lines या तो bending forward मतलब आगे की तरफ bend हो रही होती है, और जो lines या तो पीछे की तरफ bend हो रही होती है, उन lines को हम बोलते हैं slanting line. So how to do it? Just have a look. This is for the parents. You have to give the dots like this. Kids will trace these dots and they will come to know how to make a slanting line. So from this dot you have to join this dot. So this is the one way how you can make a slanting line. So kids, this is an activity for you. Just have a look. So let's do it. This is our first activity. Just start with an activity. These are clouds and the rain is coming from the clouds, so we have to draw these lines. The rain falls in the slanting way, so we will make the rain fall in the slanting way only. So just look here. You have to do it from here. Like this you have to do, okay? Just look. From this one you have to go here, okay? So like this way you have to trace the dots and you will form a slanting line. रेन ऐसी फॉल होती है ना स्लैंटिंग वे में, टेढ़ी फॉल होती है, वो स्ट्रेटली तो नहीं होती और ना ही ऐसी होती है. I made these clouds to show you an example how slanting lines can be formed, okay? So just do it along with me. Pick up your pencil, kids, and do it along with me. You have to trace the dots only. Your mama will put these dots for you and you have to do it, okay? I will check your homework and I will back again, okay? So just do it with me. This will be your homework. So let's come to our next activity. These are arrows. ये स्लीपी तो नहीं है और ना ही स्ट्रेट है, तो ये क्या है? These are bending forward. These are bending forward. So that is why these are slanting lines. You just have to do it. You have to join these dots, okay? I have done the first one for you. The second will be your homework. I will check it. Okay, so the third activity is mountain. These are the mountains. You just have to complete these mountains. These are incomplete now. Okay, so let's just start it from here. Join these dots slowly. Our mountains are getting completed. So there is another way to make your child learn slanting line. If your child can do it without dots, So make them learn without dots only. Okay, so make a dot here and make a dot here. Not in a straight position or not in a sleeping position, just in a slanting position. Okay, so you just have to join these two dots and a slanting line will form. This homework is for the parents. This is on a maths worksheet. Our first concept was standing line. I think this is clear to you. And second one is slanting line. So you just have to make the dots like this. Just have a look like this. One here and one here. Okay, so let your kid do it without any help. Like this. If your child is able to do in this activity, then only you can give them this sheet, this math sheet, so he or she is able to do like this. So I hope guys, from these activities, from these videos, you can learn something about all those stuff which we are providing to you. I hope you all are practicing at home, so just do practice at home for this slanting line too, and I will be back again with a third concept, and I will tell you in this video. Bye bye, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay happy. Take care.